Junior, have you ever asked Google something like, "What's the fastest animal?" Or, "Why is the sky blue?" And in just a few seconds, the answer appears right in front of you? It's so fast, it almost feels like magic. But the truth is, it's not magic at all. It's something called a search engine, and today on Appsolute Kids, we're going to discover how it works and how Google finds answers so quickly, even quicker than you can tie your shoelaces. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is a search engine? What is a search engine? Google is a type of tool called a search engine. It helps you find things on the internet, like answers, pictures, videos, and websites. You can think of the internet like a giant library with billions of books. Each website is like a page or chapter from a different book. If you had to find the answer to your question in that library by yourself, it would take forever. But when you use Google, it's like asking the world's smartest librarian to find it for you in just a few seconds. Now that we understand what a search engine is, let's talk about how Google is able to give answers so fast. Google doesn't search the whole internet every time. When you type something into Google, it may seem like it's searching the entire internet at that moment, but it's not. Google already has a copy of what's on the internet. It goes out ahead of time and reads millions of websites, then stores the important parts in something called an index. This index is like Google's own giant bookshelf that's already organized and ready. So when you ask a question, Google doesn't start from scratch. It just looks at its bookshelf and finds the answer quickly. But how does Google gather all this information? Let's find out. Google uses web crawlers to gather information. To collect information from websites, Google uses tiny robot programs called web crawlers. These crawlers go from one website to another, reading the words, checking the images, and figuring out what each page is about. They then send this information back to Google, where it's stored in the index we just talked about. So now we know how Google gets the information, the crawlers bring it in. But when you type a question, how does Google decide which answer to show first? Google tries to show the best answers first. When you search for something, Google doesn't just show any website. It tries to find the one that gives the best and most helpful answer. To do that, Google checks many things. It looks at the words you typed. It checks if the website is clear, safe, and trusted by others. It even checks how often people click on that website and whether they stay to read it. It's like when a teacher checks lots of homework and picks the best one to show to the class. Google does the same, it picks the best pages to show you first. Now that we know Google chooses good answers, let's look at how everything works so fast. Why Google feels so fast? Google feels fast because of all the work it has already done before you even type your question. Its crawlers have already visited millions of websites. Its index is already filled with answers, and its systems are trained to choose the best one in just a blink. So really, the reason Google is fast is because it works quietly in the background all the time, getting ready to help you the moment you need it. Let's go over what we learned today. Google is a search engine that helps you find answers online. It doesn't search the internet from the beginning every time you ask a question. Instead, it collects information in advance using tiny robot crawlers and saves it in an organized index. Then, when you type your question, it picks the best answer and shows it to you in just a few seconds. Now here's your Appsolute Kids challenge. Ask Google something fun. Maybe, how do birds fly? Or, why do cats purr? And watch how fast it gives you the answer. Then ask a grown-up to help you click on one of the websites and see who made it and what it says. Tell us what you searched for in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun tech lessons, and share it with your friends who love learning cool stuff. Thanks for watching Appsolute Kids. See you next time.